Introducing Mortgage BI, business analytics software that's mobile, modern, intelligent, and provides you clear insight. Mortgage Business Intelligence transforms your company's data into rich visuals for you to collect and organize so you can focus on what matters to you. The best business decisions come from the best data and insights. To do this, you need to more easily analyze massive amounts of data so you can move from seeing what happened and understanding why it happened to predicting what will happen and ultimately knowing what should I do next. From on-premise to the cloud and back. See all data from on-premise software and in the cloud all together in one place. Interactive reports with deep analysis, live dashboards with real-time updates, unprecedented visibility into the business. Better business intelligence drives competitive advantage. Actionable insight improves productivity and accelerates the business. Monitor the health of your business by drilling down into loan processes. Adopt the cloud your own way, within the cloud, hybrid, or on-premises deployment. Survive the future embrace and lead change business intelligence and analytics. Design your mortgage company to continually change and innovate with Mortgage BI today.